Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well today. So, you want to get into affiliate marketing, you want to start this business in affiliate marketing, but you're thinking, how long will affiliate marketing last? Do I want to invest all the time and money into this if it's just a fad? There's no question that affiliate marketing is here to stay for the long haul, and here's why. There are two huge reasons. The first is that the world is being subdivided into smaller and smaller audiences. It's hard to believe, but in the old days, everybody used to get their news and entertainment on three big networks. That was pretty much all you got. And the big brands, all brands would advertise on these three big networks, and that was it. But now, news and entertainment is distributed across many, many, many different sources, each one having its own audience. And the future is brands and companies gaining access to those audiences through affiliate marketers. So how do these brands and companies gain access to these audiences? It's through the influencers that those audiences follow. And an influencer is basically just an affiliate marketer. Now, you might be a big influencer or you might be a micro influencer, but either way, an affiliate marketer is influencing an audience, a following, or their subscriber base. The great news is that those audiences can range in size from a micro influencer who has 1,000 super fan followers or a major influencer who's got millions of fans, millions of followers. But the reality is that even a micro influencer can easily generate a six-figure income by their affiliate marketing activities as they recommend products. So as the world subdivides into smaller and smaller groups and audiences and followers, this actually opens up a world of opportunity for ordinary people to start generating money online. Brands and companies will be absolutely dependent on affiliate marketers and influencers to reach these audiences and followers. The second huge reason is that affiliate marketing is growing by 10% every year. More and more nations around the globe are transitioning from third world countries to first world countries. And those people there are gaining more and more affluence to make more and more purchases and buying products online. Affiliate marketers will be the main channel for people to find those products that they're looking for. Amazingly, 63% of people surveyed said they trust influencers on social media to help them make purchase decisions. As social media continues to rapidly expand across the globe, there will be more and more audiences to tap into. Also, companies and products are being launched all the time. So there's an endless possibility of things to market and new things for your audiences and followers to buy all the time. So yes, the future is very bright for affiliate marketing. Maybe it's time for you to start an affiliate marketing business. Check out the link in the description below this video. That will give you the step-by-step blueprint to start making real money online today. I hope you'll check it out. No pressure, totally up to you. And if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Take care.